Welcome to this tutorial on creating a WordPress contact page in just 5 minutes. The process is simple, and by the end of this guide, you will have a fully functional contact page ready for your visitors. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once you have reached the home page, look toward the top right corner where you will see the login option. Selecting this option will begin the process of entering your WordPress account. After clicking the login button, you will be prompted with different sign-in methods. In this case, you will choose the option that says Continue with Google. This method is designed to simplify your login experience. Once you click on Continue with Google, you will need to pick the correct account to proceed. This step ensures that only the designated account gains access to your WordPress site, and it provides a secure way to authenticate your identity. Once you have successfully signed in, your dashboard will appear with several navigation options. Direct your attention to the Quick Links area where you will find the option to Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site takes you to the page where you can customize various elements of your website. This is a crucial part of the process as it allows you to control the design and functionality of your site, including the ability to add new pages. Now that you are in the site editing section, the next task is to add a new page. Look for the option that says Add Page, which will open up the page creation interface for you. At this point, you are creating a new page that will eventually serve as your contact page. It is important to follow these directions carefully in order to ensure that the contact page is properly integrated into your website. With the new page interface open, you are now prompted to give your page a title. Simply type in Contact as the name of this page. Naming the page Contact ensures visitors can easily recognize where they need to go when they are looking for a way to get in touch with you. A clear and straightforward page title is essential for user-friendly navigation. The next step is to choose the appropriate template for your contact page. You will click on the option that presents you with the Contact, Info and Locations template. This template is pre-designed to include sections for contact details, locations, and other important information that your visitors may need. Utilizing this template saves you time and maintains design consistency throughout your website. After selecting the template, personalize your page by adding your own details. Insert the specific contact information that suits your needs. Be sure to provide clear and accurate details for your email, phone number, physical address, and any other relevant communication channels. Once you have entered all the required information, your final step is to save your work. Make sure you click Save so that all the modifications are stored and your contact page goes live. Throughout this process, it is important to follow the steps sequentially to avoid any misconfigurations. Logging in with Google simplifies the authentication and allows you to focus on designing the page without unnecessary delays. The Quick Links navigation is designed to streamline access to key site settings, while the pre-designed template ensures that you do not have to start from scratch. After the page is saved, take a moment to preview it and verify that every detail is correct. This final check helps to ensure that your website visitors will find the contact page not only informative but also easy to navigate. By following these clear directions, you now have a professional contact page set up on your WordPress site, ready to facilitate effective communication with your audience.